What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy Friday. Yesterday I didn't make a video. It was Thanksgiving. I hope all of you guys that celebrate Thanksgiving had a good one. I was cooking pretty much all day. Was dead tired, but I am glad to be back here making videos. I did spend it with family, so I am thankful for that. I'm thankful for so many things, and one of them is crypto. So let's take a look at the charts. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, and then we're going to take a look around the market, see what's going on, see what's pumping, see what's not, and we'll call it a day because it is Friday, so TGIF as well. And we want to get out of here for the weekend. And so without further ado, let's do this. Bitcoin this morning moved up a little bit more. On Friday this morning, it has come down a little bit since then. Okay, zoom in here. And so when people were saying it's the end of the world, this is what happened in the last couple of days. Notice this on Wednesday, right? We went up above these two lines, this channel, which is actually a bearish channel, but Bitcoin is in a bullish phase. So the bias is always towards the upside as far as I see it. And so Thursday, which is Thanksgiving, not much action, okay, but we did stay above that line, and that's important. And today, look like we're moving up. We have to break through this little area right here, 99,000, 98,000 to get to 100. And we're really close. This morning, we touched 98,800, okay? So I don't know that we break 100,000 today, but if we keep doing this, eventually we will. I'm gonna say next week we'll probably break 100,000. Okay, next week is December, so definitely in December I think we're gonna break 100,000. It'll be interesting to see how the monthly close, how the monthly candle looks like. Pretty much what we thought it was gonna be. All right, so Bitcoin's looking good. DXY is also looking bad, which is great, right? Finally, but we have seen this before here, and then it pumped up as I mentioned, but this has been pretty strong drop, and maybe this was the bottom. And again, as I've been mentioning, we could be doing this. Okay, so maybe we have some more way to go. Area of resistance right here. Actually, let me extend this line for you so you can see. Oh, right. So interesting how it rejected from here. It bounced from here, but let's see. I think that's just sometimes it happens, right? When things go up, they bounce. When things go down, they do bounce up. They don't go all the way up here, but they bounce a little bit and then they come back going down. I think we are starting to see the drop from this peak. Okay, so let's see. We'll take it day by day, but this is looking really good. I really like this. I like that. We needed that. Okay, as the Dow Jones also liking things, the Nasdaq is starting to move up again, liking things. And S&P 500 loving things at a new all-time high, right? Is the 2 years still turning over? Excellent. Look at that, guys. It's awesome, guys. Oh man, we are ready to really start moving up at the end of this year and into 2025. 2025 is going to be awesome. Okay, Bitcoin dominance as it's dropping. I guess maybe we are going to come down here 57% or close. Others are starting to move up again as we head closer to this area right here. Look at that, beautiful. Now the memes that I've been mentioning to you are consolidating because they moved first. Okay, so but what has moved now? XRP is moving, and I'm not an XRP fan, but some of the guys in my Telegram group are. Rio, it's also moving up. I'm not a fan of Rio either, but they are moving up now. Don't go chasing. Okay, right now the money's just going into utilities, but it's a rotation. Okay, eventually it'll come back to memes. So what you do right now, if you're still looking to position yourself, is you position yourself in things that are red, things that you know that or feel as though are going to move up. And Miggles, one of them, it's printing a bullish pattern. Okay, once it gets out of here, it's going to move up higher, guys. It's going to move up way higher. Toshi, they're all printing very similar patterns. Okay, just a bullish patterns. Keyboard cat, I didn't think it would come down here, but we saw this line, so it could, and it has done it before. Okay, but when it does, it moves up higher. Okay, boom. Okay, well, just right here, as you can see, here as well, right? When it touched, it moves up. No, it didn't move up as high here. It was dropping, then it dropped. But I don't think we do something like this. I think from here, if we drop down here, and I don't think that we do, but I've been wrong before, we will see something like that. Boom, boom. KeyCat is going to do extremely well, guys. KeyCat is going to do extremely well. Dogging me, same thing. Printing bullish patterns, so I mean I would be accumulating here. Apple, the same thing, printing. This one has dropped more, but I mean I do see this one as to me sees support right here. Okay, inside these two lines at 0.00367. This is on Solana. The other ones are on base. These things are gonna move, guys, are gonna move. So position yourselves accordingly. Right now, the utility plays, or technology plays, or whatever, the non-meme plays are having their day in the sun, but eventually that will turn, right? It's just rotation. So again, please don't chase. Don't make the mistake of saying, oh, my bag isn't moving, let me chase it. So this one's already moved like 50, 100%. Let me chase that one. And then all of a sudden that starts to not decline, but just kind of taper off. And then it starts going sideways. And now you're stuck there, right? And then your bag starts moving up. Don't do that. Don't fall victim to that, please. Okay. Let's take a look at some projects that you might not know of. I mean, I've mentioned a lot of these. Project 89 is looking like it wants to start moving now. Okay, 68.4 million market cap already, 10 million volume. But if this thing gets listed somewhere, because it has good numbers to get listed somewhere, this is on Solana, then you can see. Forget about this price. It's going to go into hundreds of millions. Okay, just massive pumps. BAN is looking like one that really wants to start taking off. Check this out, 145 million market cap, and look at this beautiful right here. Look at this. Just a rounded bottom. So it looks like maybe, just maybe, this thing wants to start moving. And if it does, I could see it start moving up to like around here somewhere, right? Back to close to all-time highs. So I mean, catching it right now. I mean, even though it's at 146.6 million market cap, it could probably go higher. Keep that in mind, guys. What else? I've mentioned this one to you guys, missed, and this thing was much higher. Okay, and it's just since this dropped at 4 cents, it's now at 0.002. But maybe, just maybe, this is the floor. We'll see. Can it touch up here? I don't know what happens from there, but a lot of people have lost faith in this one, including myself. But I mean, that is showing the beginnings of hopefully a signs of life. Maybe there's a chance. Maybe if you put a little tiny bit here on this, 2.7 million market cap, 1 million volume, maybe you might get a double of your money, a triple of your money if it starts moving up. Missed also on Solana. Dream, after a big move up, it has dropped a lot. That probably would have been a good idea if you were in this around here to sell here. But hey, hindsight is 2020, so we don't know. Let's see what happens. 5.2 million market cap, 1.7 million volume. Dream coins in base. Okay, think of it like pump fun of the base ecosystem, and base is going to get a lot of play. That's why I'm showing you guys a lot of base plays, guys. And WoW, let's see what WoW is doing too. I mentioned this one obviously, if dreams drop, WoW is going to drop as well. Yep, there it is. Interesting. 1.8 million volume, 657,000. 1.8 million in market cap, 657,000 in volume. But if you were looking at it and you missed this, maybe, just maybe, obviously I would take a look, see what's going on. Go look at search on Twitter here on Deck Screener right here. Search on Twitter. Oh, you can't see it because I'm there, huh? There we go. Search on Twitter right here, guys. Okay. And that will take you to Twitter, and it'll show you all anyone's that's mentioned. Wow, so you can get some good information there, guys. But interesting plays, guys, and I think they could go much higher. So I mean, that they went up and came back down. Eventually they will go the other way if they're good projects, and I think they are good projects, guys. Okay, what else? What else can I bring to your attention? I think this project's kind of interesting. PRAIST. Okay, and it looks like after this drop, see, they move up, they drop back down, they give back a lot, and then they start moving back up. It's just people getting shaken out. 3.7 million in market cap, a little over 500,000 in volume, guys. Okay, just interesting plays. Some plays that might be interesting to look at. UBC, Universal Basic Computer. This thing went up to 100 million in like day one, and then it went up and then turned over. Turned over. And came back, gave back a lot of gains. Now it looks like maybe it's going to consolidate here. But I mean, this might be a decent area if after you're doing your homework, you believe in the project. Again, this one has good numbers, and if this thing gets listed, then at a SEX major central exchange, this thing is going to pump hard. Okay, so keep that in mind, because on day one it went to 100 million. Some FUD came out, that's why it dropped like that. Universal Basic Computer, interesting play. Maybe this one might be a good area to put a little bit of something on. Although it could be a little fake bounce and then it drops more. So if you put something on here, just DCA after you do your homework, and don't put too much. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, here's one that I also like. Where is it? Vibe Cat. I mentioned it to you guys before. and I think eventually, I think it's gonna do well because it's a good meme, and it's at a pretty decent buy price. Although it could drop lower, so keep that in mind because it lost this area right here, or it's looking like it's losing this area. It could be a fake out, but if it does, then I could see it drop down here to 0.002220. Hold on, it's a lot of sugar, buddy. Well, my son came here to visit, so I'm gonna end this right now. But again, it could drop down here 0.0047 to 0.0002. But decent numbers. 4.6 million in market cap, 1.1 million volume. And this is the Biden cap. I'm sure you've heard of it. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin and call it a day. Apple does look pretty interesting. Apple looks like it's ready to move. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin. 100,000 next week. I'm gonna say yes. All right, we're gonna leave it there, guys. Oh wow, pretty cool. Nice. What does it taste like? Perfume. We're gonna leave it there, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow the channel, and all that stuff helps. With all that said, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace. Say goodbye, Aunt.
Bye.
See ya.